Hello guys, today we are going to play chips game with my brothers and sisters. And here's chips, Lays. My mom is putting this in the table, and we will
On the table, not in the table.
on the table, and we will put this peanut butter
We cannot
and
put inside, so
jam.
we say on. No?
Jam in this one of the chips, and we will roll this dice, and which number we get we will eat that. Let's see, we will get this, we will get this too, we will get that too.
No.
कस्तो झगडा गरे होला अब
We can only speak in English, okay?
Okay. This is only table. Now this is chips.
All table will be filled in.
chips.
And
See, I told
soda
you.
also.
No,
Soda.
no need to put that. Okay.
Somebody will get it.
This one.
How many small chips here? Oh my God.
OMG.
This is so
Its smell is coming here, guys.
Lay's company are cheating with us.
big. This is also big. This is
Lay's company. Oh my God. Why you are putting this type of
No, it isn't.
see.
chips?
Oh,
We want to eat full shape chips, no?
yeah.
Hot shape.
It's only like just
Half
small,
chip.
small.
And
Not half also. It's a quarter.
ooh,
Let's play with these chips.
me. Give me
Yes.
to me first.
Okay.
I want to eat first. And where is the ramen?
No, we will put this jam and this in one. Not. Let's put this up and this down.
We have only one. No. Which one is big?
This.
This.
No, this.
Yeah, this one
This
is
one
big.
is the biggest one.
Biggest one. We have a biggest one, and we will put wire thing here. Okay.
Weird.
Oh no! That
We will put that jar.
Lots of
Ew,
jam.
it's
Look.
what is
It's
okay.
with bread.
Oh,
With
we
bread.
will put that one also. Yeah.
It's a new one. Peanut butter.
Chocolate peanut butter.
Who want to try this?
Me.
With chips.
With chips.
Me.
It will not be tasty. Don't put that much on.
No, you can't now.
There.
There, yes.
This is a very careful.
Weird
No.
combination, guys.
Very tasty small.
OMG.
Only.
Yes. Okay.
Types of
Done.
shape here. I think this is bhoot wale.
Ghost chips.
So much.
Let's see
Ghost
who will get this one.
Ghost chip. Too much.
Who will
Yeah,
get
it's
the
too
ghost chips?
much.
Let's see.
Oh, here is a small.
This is not. This is.
No, Paul.
La 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 la.
Oh.
No, we were starting from younger one, eh? La. Manspri.
Manspri Gupta.
La la la. La yo le board le.
From Manspri Gupta. Ha ha. Where is this ball? It is.
उसमें clearly देख सन त ल ल ल
Let's
ल
see. What? How much?
भएन यहाँ बोर्डमै हाल्नुपर्छ बोर्डमै हुनु पर्यो
OMG.
बोर्डमै हुनुपर्छ है भएन अलि स्लोली फोर ल 1 2 3 4 ल अब Oh, number 6. Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, and last one. 6.
Don't touch mine's free.
I think that That is.
One, go to one.
Where is it?
Get your one tips.
Mine's free. Just leave it.
Oh.
Sudina Didi. No.
Let's see.
I think Sudina Didi.
Two.
One, two.
Two.
Give it to me, dog. Yes. Hi. Master drawn.
Two. Two.
Give me. Wait. One, two.
Okay. No.
Violin is here.
A bit
Go,
slow.
go.
Oh, one. Only one. One. Again one है गोलुको फेरि one है सुदिनाको one ल
Master drawn.
Three.
One, two.
कति क्लेभर
That is it.
What do you
खिचिरहेको छु Oh, again 6. Oh my god. सबसे धेरै त बाबुकै पाइरहेछ
3, 4,
Line wise खानुपर्छ है.
5, 6.
It is
Three.
not fair.
एकछिन यहाँ म यहाँ
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
ल गोलुको 3 परि
Two.
You want to eat that? ल भएन यो Three. पर्खी एकछिन स्लो मोसन है स्लो मोसन सुदिना दिदीले खान्छ अनि तिम्रो टर्न 2, 3 ल सुदिना दिदीले 3 पाइसक्यो यहाँ मान्छेले फेरि डाइस हानिसक्यो 2 नम्बर 2
1, 2.
2 ल भएन ल अलि यहाँ बिचमा हान न धेरै गुडायो क्या तिमीले ल त्यो गइहाल्यो धेरै नगुडाउ न 2 4 पर्खी 4
मलाई लागिरह म यो खान्छु
त्यो
मलाई लागिरहेको म यो खान्छु
हेरौँ न कसले खाँदो रहेछ 4 सुदिना 4
अहिले हैन
पर्खी एकछिन ल 5
गन्ने
5
1, 2 न गर्नु त 2, 3, 4, 5 भइसक्यो
बाहिर नपठाउ न
हेलो
3 कसले गरे
खै गयो
4 ल 4
सुदिन 1, 2, 3 आमा बुवाले भने पकाउनु लाग्छ
ल सुदिनाको टर्न हेर है त्यहाँ यहाँ हेर त ल एउटा यो चिप्स बाँकी छ अब कतिवटा छ त्यहाँ 1 2 6 आयो भने सुदिनाले खायो
1, 2, 3
एकछिन कल गर्छु म एकैछिन पर्खी
6 आयो भने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 आयो भने मैले यो खाने अनि जसको टर्नमा जति
भने खानी
1 आयो भने होइन अब जति आउँछ त्यसले नै खाने हो.
हो
धपक गरौँ
4 ल तिमीलाई त्यो खान मन लागेको त्यो त मैले अनि खान मन नलाग्ने चाहिँ बनाएको हो नि त नि
होइन 6 आएको भए मैले यो सब खान्थेँ अनि मान्छेको टर्नमा मान्छेले यो खान्थ्यो.
फर्स्टै खाऊ न खै यहाँ देखाउ त यता देखाउ त यता देखाउ
गाइस गोश
के छ रे यसमा के छ के छ यसमा जाम अनि पिनट बटर कस्तो टेस्ट हुन्छ होला टेस्टी छ नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल पुट सम एक्स्ट्रा ओइल अनि अर्को के हुन्छ
अनि
धुलो खुर्सानी हो अब नेक्स्ट टाइम चाहिँ ल रमाइलो भयो गेम खेलेर
It was so fun, guys.
सबसे धेरै चिप्स त कसले खायो बाबुले होला उसको 6 आएको थियो है ल ल बाई गरिदेऊ ल
Bye bye guys.
ल अब अर्को गेम हाम्रो नेक्स्ट गेम कुन हुन्छ अरे हाम्रो अर्को गेम
अर्को गेम
बिस्कुट
हैन
फुड गेम
फुड गेम PASS पास दौडिनु वाला के
जे पनि हुन सक्छ त्यो
We will just do PASS pass के
ओके ल बाई गरिदेऊ ल बाई